In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your chart layout on TradingView to its original state. Whether you've crowded your chart with numerous custom indicators or just feel like starting fresh, I'll guide you through the simple steps to revert it back to default. Now, let's dive in and explore this handy feature together. First, if you're not already there, go ahead and open TradingView and navigate to the particular chart you wish to reset. Once you're on the desired chart, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here you should see a gear icon which represents the settings. Go ahead and give that a click. This action will open up a window where you'll have various settings options related to your chart. Now inside the settings window, you want to look closely for an option that says Reset Chart Layout or just simply Reset. This option can vary slightly in its location depending on the version or updates, but it's typically found under either the General or Status tab. Once located, it's time for the next step. Click on Reset Chart Layout. You may be prompted to confirm your intention, so go ahead and confirm when asked. This is an important step because it will erase all your custom indicators, drawings, and personalized settings, and this will essentially bring your chart back to the original default state that TradingView has set. So make sure you really want to proceed with this action because there's no turning back once it's done. But let's say you prefer using the main menu for this task. Don't worry, TradingView has got you covered with an alternative method. Look at the top left corner of your screen and locate the three horizontal lines commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for an option labeled Chart Layout or Load Chart Layout. It's here that you can choose either Default or Reset Layout. Both these options will serve the same purpose of resetting your chart. Select the one you prefer and confirm if prompted. And there you have it. Now your chart is fresh and ready for you to start anew. Remember, resetting is a fantastic option if you're feeling overwhelmed by the clutter or if you simply want a clean slate to work with. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you feel confident in resetting your TradingView chart whenever needed. Thank you for joining this video and happy charting.